Hello everyone, let's talk something fun today. Have you think about this question? Why do we have to say 我爱你 in Chinese, right? Yeah. And can't say 我你爱, right? Yeah. 我爱你 which means I love you. 我你爱 which means I you love, right? Yeah. Why we only say 我爱你? Okay. Once you know the little secret behind this, speaking Chinese will feel much simpler and more confident. A magic formula for Chinese sentences, which is who does what to whom or what. What are they? Who, subject, does what, verb, to whom or what, object. Subject, verb, object. This is the magic formula for Chinese sentences. Okay? Yeah, so try to remember this structure. Subject, verb, object. Let's say a few sentences together. Okay? Please repeat after me. Okay? First one, I drink tea. In Chinese is 我喝茶. You see? 我 subject, I, 喝 verb, drink, 茶 object, tea. So 我喝茶. I drink tea. Easy, right? Another example. You read a book. Say it in Chinese. 你看书. See? 你 is subject, you. 看 is verb, read. 书 is object, book. So 你看书. You read a book. Okay? Next example. He watches a movie. So how to say in Chinese? 他看电影. See? Subject, 他 verb, 看 object, 电影. So 他看电影. He watches a movie. Next example. She buys clothes. So in Chinese, 她买衣服. So you see, 她 is she, 买 is buy, 衣服 is clothes. 她买衣服. She buys clothes. Last example. We learn Chinese. In Chinese, 我们学习汉语. You see? Say it one by one. 我们 we 学习 learn 汉语 Chinese. 我们学习汉语 we learn Chinese. Easy, right? See? The order is locked in. The verb always stay in the middle. This is rule number 1 in Chinese. Try to remember this magic formula. Okay? Yeah. Subject, verb, object. Okay? Because the word order is fixed, Chinese grammar is super easy. How? Let's see. Verbs always look the same. You see, verbs in Chinese are lazy. They never change. Let's see some example. Yes, today I drank tea. In Chinese, yesterday. 昨天我喝茶. You see? 昨天 time point. Yesterday. 我 I 喝 drank 茶 tea. Right? Okay. You see? Another example. Today I drink tea. In Chinese. 今天我喝茶. Let's say it one by one. 今天 today, type what? 我 I 喝 drink 茶 tea. You see? 喝 drunk 喝 drink 喝 totally same. Let's see another example. Tomorrow I will drink So in Chinese, tomorrow, 明天 我 will drink 喝茶 See, 喝 the verb 喝 never change. No need to remember drink or drank or drunk. So easy. Still 喝 this verb. Never change, right? Yeah, so you see, verb in Chinese are lazy. They never change. So, another point. A word's job is decided by its position. For example, you see, 妈妈爱孩子，妈妈爱孩子 which means mom loves the child. Okay? Mom loves the child. Mom is the subject, right? Here, mom is the subject. See, another example. 孩子爱妈妈 means the child loves mom. So mom is the object, right? See, mom is the same word, but its position tells us if she's doing the loving or receiving the loving, right? So a word's job is decided by its position. Okay? Yeah, so in China, there's a place called Linxia. Yeah, a little story I tell you. What if the order gets messed up? So in China, there's a place called Linxia. People there sometimes use a different order. You see? They say IT drink. Okay, so 我茶喝我茶喝 Right? This caused a problem. How do you know who is doing what? Right? So they have to invent a little marker. Yeah, little marker. Marker is ha. Yeah, they use this marker ha to help. They say, for example, 我他他劝我 means I. 他 means he. 他 is the marker. 劝 is the verb, means advice. Advice, okay? So 我他他劝 is 哈 put after this 他, so this 哈 mark the 他 is the object. So which means I advise him. Right? Yes, so without 哈, so it becomes 我他劝 without 哈 becomes 我他劝 So it becomes confusing. Is it I advise him or he advised me? So you see, our SVO magic formula is the simplest way, right? No need to create this marker, right? Yeah, so let's use the magic formula to make more sentences. Right, let's see. I want coffee. So in Chinese, simple. 我 want 要 coffee 咖啡 So I want coffee. 我要咖啡 subject 我 verb 要 object 咖啡 So 我要咖啡 I want coffee. Right, easy. Another example. You eat rice. Chinese. 你吃饭 Right, you see? 你 subject you 吃 verb eat 饭 object rice. So SVO 你吃饭 means you eat rice. So simple, right? He speaks English. In Chinese. 他说英语 See? 他 is subject. He 说 verb speak. 英语 is the object. English. 他说英语 which means he speaks English. So simple, right? Okay. More example. She likes dog. Chinese. 她喜欢狗 You see? 她 is the subject. She 喜欢 verb likes. 狗 object dogs. So 她喜欢狗。She likes dogs. Last example. We listen to music. In Chinese. 我们听音乐。我们 is the plural of 我 so 我们 we subject 听 verb 音乐 music object so 我们听音乐 we listen to music right so great job easy right so your listening tips listen carefully first one memorize the formula SVO okay next one don't change the verbs next one trust the word order. Right, this is the learning tips. Keep practicing and your Chinese will become great. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.